At Empire Medical Training, we're proud to introduce the Empire Clinical Fellowship Program, a semi-private medspa preceptorship experience designed for business-minded practitioners. This is the most hands-on, immersive training in a private medical spa, a full day with the master instructors you already know and trust. Choose from 2 powerful tracks. The first, the Business of Neurotoxins, combines clinical mastery with business essentials. You'll train with 100 units of neurotoxin, learning precise injections for frown lines, forehead, crow's feet, gummy smile, lip flip, and more. Beyond injections, you'll build the systems behind a thriving practice. From EMR and photo setup to inventory, payment processing, pricing strategies, memberships, and supplier accounts. The second track, Complete Facial Harmonization, is a masterclass in balancing the face with fillers and biostimulators. You'll work with 2 HFiller syringes and 1 biostimulator, covering liquid facelifts, full face rejuvenation, and techniques for lips, cheeks, chin, tear troughs, hands, and advanced areas like the neck and chest. You'll also learn how to integrate these treatments into your practice with proven business systems. The Empire Clinical Fellowship delivers the most intimate, high-impact training experience in aesthetics. Visit empiremedicaltraining.com or call 8445-653131 to get started.